Hey y'all, welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I will be sharing with you 5 quick and easy meals that are perfect for weeknights, picky eaters, or anyone that's just looking for something simple and delicious. These meals all come together in about 30 minutes or less and use basic ingredients that you probably already have in your fridge or freezer. So let's get started. First up, we're making walking tacos. One of the easiest crowd pleasers ever. All you need is a bag of chips and a few simple toppings for a fun, hands-on meal kids and adults love. You'll grab yourself 2 pounds of ground beef and brown that ground beef. Once that ground beef is completely brown, go ahead and remove any remaining fat from that ground beef. Here I'm adding 1.5 cups of water to 2 packets of taco seasoning. Once you've added your taco seasoning, go ahead and give that a really good stir until well combined. Cook that liquid down until it's nice and thick, and once it's nice and thick, sit your taco meat over to the side. Next, you're going to grab yourself some Fritos or Doritos bags of chips and crush those up just a little bit and add your taco meat, add some lettuce, add some cheese, tomatoes, sour cream, salsa, whatever you desire in your walking taco. Now, I would love to suggest to put your chip bag on a plate or a bowl before adding your meat so you don't get burned. These chicken nugget sliders are a hit with kids and honestly adults too. I used mozzarella cheese instead of Parmesan this time and they turned out so gooey and good. First off, you'll need to cook your chicken nuggets according to the packaging instructions. I'm using a 12-pack of Hawaiian sweet rolls. Now cut the tops off of your rolls. Now here I have a half a stick of melted butter, some fresh basil, and some garlic powder. Mix that up well. Now here I'm adding my chicken nuggets. You can double up on those if you'd like. That's your preference. Grab yourself a jar of marinara sauce and get yourself 1 heaping teaspoon or tablespoon of that sauce. Spread it all over. Here I'm adding 6 slices of mozzarella cheese. Add your top back to your sliders, then add your butter sauce all over the top. Bake in the oven for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until your cheese is nice and melty and it's brown on the top. I served these up with some baked French fries and some apple slices. If you love pizza but want something quicker, you're going to love these pizza quesadillas. Everything you love about pizza, ready in minutes. Gooey, cheesy, and totally customizable. You'll see here that I added about a tablespoon of butter to a frying pan. Let that melt. I did add some freshly dried basil on the bottom, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So here I added some pizza sauce to a taco-sized tortilla. Added some mozzarella cheese, some pepperonis, and added a little bit more cheese. Place another tortilla on the top. Brown both sides of that quesadilla and set that over to the side. Now you'll want to repeat these steps over and over again until you've made as many pizza quesadillas as you want. You can add whatever type of toppings that you normally put on a pizza inside. Customize it to your preference. You're going to love these pizza quesadillas. Let me know down in the comment section below what your favorite pizza toppings are. Next, we're loading up some crispy tots for a baked potato style nacho dish that's packed with cheese, bacon, sour cream, and all your favorite toppings. First thing you'll need is to grab a bag of tater tots and cook those according to the packaging instructions. Once they're done, go ahead and layer those up in a smaller dish. Add some cheddar cheese, extra cheddar cheese, whatever you like. Here I have some freshly cooked bacon that's nice and crispy. Add that to the top. Add some more cheese, whatever type of topping you like. Then place this back in the oven to melt your cheese and add your sour cream, your onions, whatever you desire on your loaded baked potato nachos. Last but not least, these grilled cheese roll-ups are crispy on the outside, melty on the inside, and perfect for dipping in tomato soup or ranch. Grab yourself some regular sandwich bread and grab a rolling pin or a cup or whatever you have on hand and flatten out that slice of bread. Here you'll see that it's nice and thin and perfect for these roll-ups. Next, you'll grab yourself some softened butter and place some of that on one side of your bread. So when you do roll up your grilled cheese roll-ups, that they will stick together. Now, once you've added your slice of cheese, start on the end that has no butter and just start rolling it up and set it over to the side. I did forget to mention that I did use a serrated knife to cut off the top and the bottom so that they're nice and even. Now, once you have made as many of your grilled cheese roll-ups as you would like, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to a frying pan. Let that melt all the way. Then add all of your grilled cheese roll-ups to the pan and roll those roll-ups all around in that butter. Now fry up until they're nice and golden brown. These grilled cheese roll-ups are a hit with the kiddos. Don't tell anyone, but these grilled cheese roll-ups are a hit with the adults as well. Our little secret. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section which recipe you think you would enjoy the most. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all, if you haven't already done so, because I would love to have you here. Until next time, bye-bye now.